Let's quickly talk about the top AI SEO tools. So if you're looking for search engine optimization and you want to use artificial intelligence to beef up your SEO efforts, here are the top tools I want you to pay attention to. First of all, I want to introduce you to or reintroduce you to Chat GPT. So this is actually one of the OGs in this space. So Chat GPT is actually the leading product of OpenAI, a leader in the artificial intelligence space. Okay. And the cool thing about Chat GPT is that it has a simple text entry interface that can generate blog articles, title text, meta descriptions, images, code, charts, and soon video to help you create content that actually brings in organic traffic. So you are looking at from an SEO perspective, that's pretty powerful. And when you look at Chat GPT, think about an AI model that underpins many of the other AI tools in the market. Okay, the pricing actually it's actually free with a GPT 3.5 model, and text outputs. You can access image and voice features for $20 per month, and team plans are available for enterprise. So basically, ChatGPT is best for generalist marketers looking for support in a wide range of marketing tasks, or even entrepreneurs, like everyday entrepreneurs. Next, you have Google Gemini. So Google Gemini is actually a pretty solid tool also when it comes to AI SEO. So Gemini actually is Google's latest iteration of its general purpose AI assistant, originally branded Bard. So they actually went through a rebranding recently. So when you think about Gemini, think about a tool that has similar functionality to a Chat GPT, with the benefits of integrating directly into Google tools like Google Docs and Google Sheets. So that's pretty powerful too, especially from an SEO perspective. So the pricing is free to use the standard version, with Gemini Advanced level available for $20 per month, and business pricing also available. So the tool is great for generalist marketers on a Google first stack such as Gmail, Google Docs, or Google Sheets. If you're looking for the top AI SEO tools, I want you to consider Shopify Magic, and this is actually a wonderful tool also. So Shopify Magic is the AI assistant for Shopify stores. It is actually integrated directly into the Shopify interface, making it very easy to use. And Shopify regularly rolls out new features for it. And right now, its core features are product image background editing, product description drafting, FAQ generation, email planning, and live chat. So that's really important. In terms of pricing, you have a free tool with all Shopify plans, which actually starts at about $1 per month. So this is actually this tool is great for Shopify merchants who want to quickly optimize their product pages and customer experiences. And the cool thing is that if you are considering Shopify Magic for your Shopify store this year, you are in luck. Why? Because the tool makes it very easy to start, run, and grow your business, and you have a groundbreaking e-commerce focused AI tool that empowers entrepreneurs like you to be more creative, productive, and successful than ever before. So that's really fantastic. Next, you have Shogun. So Shogun is actually another great AI tool, AI SEO tool that you might want to consider this year. Okay. So Shogun is actually a page builder for Shopify stores. In recent years, it has added a suite of AI tools, including AI text generation, an AI section builder, and instant SEO meta tags. Okay. So in terms of pricing here, you have a flexibility. So you have AI SEO features included with all plans, which starts at $31 per month. So this tool is great for Shopify merchants who need a page builder and want similar features to Shopify Magic. So something to really think about. And the cool thing also with Shogun is that you have artificial intelligence sort of processes designed for commerce, all kinds of commerce, not just e-commerce, but also brick and mortar commerce. Of course, you gotta really have an online presence, because we are speaking about SEO, so you gotta have an online presence. But you don't have to be primarily be an e-commerce sort of operation. If you're looking for the top artificial intelligence search engine optimization tools this year, I want you to think about Bloomreach. And Bloomreach actually offers a set of e-commerce tools focusing on personalization powered by AI. And the most SEO relevant tool is actually it's a web personalization, which really allows you for custom experiences based on a variety of factors. For example, you could actually use its AI to show different messaging to first-time visitors from Google and returning visitors from email. Okay, and so that's pretty powerful, especially if you are trying to build, let's say, a bespoke relationship with each client. What about the pricing here? Well, enterprise pricing depends on the modules that you require. So the minimum is actually a $449 per month. So you can see that Bloomreach is pretty expensive. But hey, listen, it is definitely worth it. Okay, so this is pretty important. So when you think about Bloomreach, think about a tool that's great for e-commerce business teams that want AI and personalization at the heart of their experience. Next, you have Jasper. So Jasper actually offers a variety of marketing-specific AI generation tools, including blog writing, headline copy, SEO strategy, and more. So that's kind of cool. And Jasper actually just launched 3 years ago. But hey, listen, the last 3 years, it has been kicking ass like crazy. So when they launched in 2021, they had a small business focus. But today, it really the company focuses on large enterprise businesses with important security and scale considerations for AI. So in terms of pricing, basically Jasper starts at $39 per month per user. So Jasper is actually great for enterprise marketing teams looking to deploy AI content at scale. And what you will love about Jasper when it comes to AI search engine optimization is that Jasper makes the AI for enterprise marketing teams pretty easy. So you want to have a user friendly, so the UI and UX when it comes to Jasper are impeccable. If you're looking for the top AI SEO tools, I want you to think about. I want you to consider Inc. And so Inc. actually is an AI-based content marketing tool which actually offers AI generated content with a focus on SEO optimization and guardrails against having content perceived as violating Google's spam rules. Okay. And so no platform can guarantee to abide by Google's spam rules, which are subject to interpretation and change. But Inc. places a focus on that. Okay. So in terms of pricing, you have a relatively expensive tool. So you have $39 per month at the professional plan, including unlimited writing, and you have $99 per month at the enterprise plan. The enterprise plan sort of pricing tier. So when you think about Inc., think about a tool that's great for technically savvy SEO professionals who just need writing support. Next, you have Surfer, another wonderful tool. Let me tell you why. Surfer SEO uses NLP, so natural language processing, to make content optimization recommendations. And the company was launched in 2017, so making it one of the longest running companies in the market when it comes to SEO. I mean, SEO through AI, by the way. The company actually uses a proprietary Surfer score to evaluate your content and provide a roadmap to really optimize the content. So that really helps you in terms of beefing up your SEO. Recently, Surfer has expanded its offering to include AI supported writing and keyword ideas. So in terms of pricing, you're looking at $89 per month all the way to $399 per month. Okay, so $89 per month, including up to 30 articles, and $399 per month, more than 100 articles. So add-ons for additional modules are also available. So this is actually this tool, Surfer, is great for content teams that want to make SEO informed decisions quickly while writing their own content. And Surfer AI product page displays a series of reputation for SEO optimized capabilities too. So that's really good. If you're looking for the top AI SEO tools this year, I want you to really consider Ally AI. So Ally AI offers a suite of AI-based SEO features with a focus on bulk on-page optimization. And Ally AI can write content and deploy technical edits, such as automatically implementing canonical tags across multiple pages on your site. So that's pretty good. And now the pricing is not really a low though. So, but it is what it is. So in terms of pricing, you're looking at what? $299 per month for a single business, $599 per month for agencies, and $11.99 per month for enterprise features. Okay, so Ally AI is actually great for SEO teams that want to make lots of changes but have limited access to web development resources. So that's pretty interesting. Finally, you have Zapier. So Zapier is known for a lot of things, and very recently they also entered the AI sort of a space, if you will. So Zapier is not inherently an AI SEO tool when you think about it. However, as a general integration slash automation tool for marketers, it has important AI search engine optimization benefits when you really think about it. So you can actually connect Zapier to, let's say, ChatGPT, Shopify, and other tools on this list to create powerful workflows. For example, if you send a post-purchase survey to your customers, you could use Zapier to send a weekly summary to a ChatGPT and have ChatGPT summarize the top reasons people buy from you. So that's pretty powerful from a revenue management point of view. So that this can really inform your keyword strategy. This whole coordination between ChatGPT and Zapier, for instance. Okay, so the pricing, the free plans are available, but paid plans starts at about $29.99 per month. So when you think about Zapier, think about a tool that's actually great for marketing teams with limited time and development resources. So that's pretty important. So when you think about the top AI SEO tools, what are the common facts here? So one thing for sure, AI tools can help you optimize your website for search engines, and so especially if you want to really connect with your target audience real fast. Okay, so search engine optimization, SEO, is really the practice of creating, analyzing, and optimizing your website's content to increase its visibility on search engines. Okay, and today there are a wide variety of AI SEO software tools to help with every step of this process. So it's important to use them mindfully. You gotta have the right tool at the right time and also at the right place. The right application of these tools can boost your search engine rankings, but the wrong application of AI can put your website at risk. So artificial intelligence actually is a broad set of technologies that includes machine learning, natural language processing (NLP), and large language models (LLMs). So these technologies are combined and configured in a wide variety of ways to support actually the following SEO tasks. So you have creating content, analyzing content, and optimizing content. Let me break it down for you. So when I say creating content, the rise of generative AI with tools such as ChatGPT and Gemini has actually unlocked new possibilities in content creation. So these tools help marketers rapidly create first drafts of copy, images, code, and even video by using simple text prompts. But the key phrase here is first drafts. So the outputs AI tools provide are based on an aggregate, if you will, of available information on the internet. So they risk being wrong and out of date or just spitting out repetitive versions of things already said. So this is called a hallucination. The best marketing content is new and unique, informed by the brand itself. And additionally, while Google does allow AI-supported content, its guidelines require the content be original, high quality, and people first, precluding the use of entirely AI-generated content. You also have analyzing content, right? So AI SEO tools can quickly actually process or reprocess vast amount of data and spot recurring trends in top-ranking websites and articles, reviewing search engine results, pages, the SERPs, keyword research, technical performance, task prioritization, and internal linking opportunities to provide recommendations. Okay. So what about optimizing content? So you can also use AI for that as well. So AI can now go further than just analysis, whereas AI SEO tools previously could provide only generalized recommendations such as here are 4 possible target keywords for your page. You can now say here are 5 specific edits to your code and content to better optimize this page to rank for your ideal target keywords. So this can be a substantial time saver, especially if you have large projects. So what are the extras here? When you think about the top AI SEO tools, you gotta really understand that the best way to use AI for your SEO really depends on the configuration of your website, but also your brand. Because see, everything starts with the relationship you have with your target audience and their expectations too. And in terms of their expectations, you are speaking about their geography, where they are at, your geography, where you are at, and also their demographics, because different demographics have different expectations when it comes to SEO in general, but also artificial intelligence. But the cool thing is AI, as I said a little earlier, can be used to analyze, optimize, and create first drafts of website content for SEO purposes, helping speed up the content creation process. It works best as an assistant to a marketer, doing time-consuming tasks like keyword research that help the marketer actually produce high-quality content and decisions. Okay, so you have to really understand. Sorry about that. You have to really understand that when you think about the AI content, the whole idea of SEO friendliness depends on how refined the content really is. Okay, so creating content with AI is not against Google's spam policy. However, AI alone does not create SEO friendly content because search engines expect content to offer unique subject matter expertise, not just summaries of available information. Okay, and when you actually look for an SEO tool, let's say an AI SEO tool, there are a few things you need to really you need to look for depending on your goals. So if you need a complete task, such as let's say copywriting, you want to find an AI tool specializing in that task. I really apologize that my voice is a little gone, but okay, I'm here. Here I am. So I was just telling you a little earlier that if you need to complete a specific task, such as copywriting, find an AI tool specializing in that task. Okay. If you have a variety of SEO efforts in mind, you want to choose a more generalized AI tool, such as ChatGPT. So this is really important. So what's the bottom line here? In today's conversation, I share with you are the top AI SEO tools. So ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Shopify Magic, Shogun, Bloomreach, Jasper, Inc., Surfer, Ally AI, Zapier. I also spoke to you about the common facts, the extras. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.